My school life back then was very traumatizing because it's a school that has just a lot of arbings, and there was always fight, and then there was just a lot of aggression. Every October when I see Sharity Elephant appearing on stage, right, it just makes everybody feel very happy. It ignites this little fire in every one of us to be kind, to care and share, which is what Sharity has been trying to advocate. And I think, it left a very deep impression to many of us. I feel that caring and sharing has been the basic building block of humanity. And as an adult, right, I feel that for me, I work in a very highly stressed environment, and sometimes when things get easy, smooth, it's easy to just be nice. When things get very, very difficult, I think that's where we need the spirit of charity to get things going. I remember my crew, one of them was just having a really, really difficult time, and all we need is just really to just quieten ourselves down, to care for him, to understand the concern, and to show that sense of empathy. And this is what Sharity have actually taught me.
Welcome to NDP, Sharity and Friends!
Directing Sharity in NDP has been a very surreal experience because it feels like I'm connecting to an old friend. When I was young, when I first saw Sharity, he was very, very big. But right now, when I saw Sharity at the National Day Parade, right, we are around the same height. So it's shown that we have all grown together. And what was very magical was that when Sharity appeared in National Day Parade, right, you see 27,000 screaming students cheering for Sharity, and that is something very, very heartwarming.
For Sharity Elephant, hello!
I think with a lot of change in expressing ourselves, I think young people are now expressing themselves through social media. And a lot of times it's very easy for us to just hide behind our computer screen and just type whatever we want. Sometimes that I feel that a word can hurt, but if you choose the right word, it can also help and inspire. And I think that is the spirit of charity that we need to embody. I think it's important to remember that these are the basic values that kept us human, and we must never lose sight of that. To me, this is something which is very, very important. And as long as these values are kept strong through Sharity and his work, right, I think there's no reason why we need to fear the future.